Hello everyone, it's James here at Your Next Car, bringing you the latest G20 M Sport vehicle here at Your Next Car. As always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm going to talk you through some of the major talking points and features. Then of course we're going to make our way around, go ahead, take a seat in that very special interior, where once again we will of course go through some of the major talking points and features. As I've previously said on other G20 videos, I do try and get through as much as possible. However, these vehicles are absolutely jam-packed full of tech and features, so I do always try and get through as much as possible. As you can see, this vehicle is presented in the mineral grey, and alongside that we've added the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. Alongside that we've just added the 20-inch G20 Mperformance style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. At the front of the vehicle it is of course a 2019 plate, and there you'll see those fantastic BMW LED headlamps. Alongside that, the front fog lights are now all LED as well, and I'll be sure to show you those towards the end of the video. Down the side of the car, we have the gloss black side blades, along with the carbon fibre effect side vinyls and Mperformance decals, which I need to take a close-up look at with yourselves now. There you can see on the interior, which matches very nicely with that exterior colour, we have the black Vernesca leather, which on the front of this vehicle comes with the heated seat function and the electric lumbar adjustment option as well. And of course we have that very striking ambient lighting function, which now comes equipped on the G23 series alongside most of the other new BMW models. And of course that is all interchangeable to suit your wants and needs. Again, another option on this vehicle is the very nice privacy glass, and of course we'll go ahead and take a glance at the rear seats, where you have an Isofix rear bench with a centre folding armrest. In terms of changes in the rear of the 3 Series, you now have a digital climate display and digital climate adjustment for rear passengers, along with still retaining that very nice M Sport black headlining. Once again, just give you a quick brief show of the alloy wheels, and there you can see they are finished in the jet black bi-orbit. Moving towards the rear of the car, where a fascinating new feature is these very nice 3-dimensional LED rear lights, which look absolutely incredible set against that mineral grey. Gloss black rear diffuser, which sits over the twin exhausts. Rear facing reversing camera, which again we'll show you in a second. There you can see just how large the boot space is on the new 3 Series, and they now all come equipped with split folding seats as standard. And there you'll see how nicely presented the genuine BMW floor mats, which will come with the vehicle. Moving round to the other side of the car, once again just showing you how nicely presented this vehicle is, how clean and tidy everything is on the exterior, before we head on inside the car to show you in depth just how much technology is packed into these fantastic new 3 Series. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take a seat inside and really get to grips and show you everything that is packed inside these cars. First of all, I'll show you the powerful mirror function, which is controlled either using this little button here, or of course clicking the lock button on your key fob. I'll go ahead to start the car up, which will illuminate both the BMW Live Cockpit and the very nice all touchscreen professional wide navigation and media screen. So the new Live Cockpit display, in the centre you get a map view, or of course that can be changed to suit something of your needs or wants. And of course you get a now digital rev counter and speedometer, and a very large digital speed display again in the centre of the screen. On this new multifunction M Sport steering wheel, the flappy paddles for the all new 8-speed gearbox, cruise control, speed limiter function, voice and volume controls. And moving over to show you a couple of the features and functions of this fantastic touchscreen display, because as I've mentioned, there is just so much technology packed into these vehicles that I simply can't get through it all. This is something I've not yet shown anybody on any of these videos, just simply because, again, I will say it again, I keep emphasising it, there is just a lot to get through. So BMW obviously know that people spend a lot of time in their vehicles and it can get frustrating, so they've put this little feature in there. It's called Caring Car Program. So you simply click this with the climate control set to automatic, and you can either have Vitalise or Relax. Clicking Relax mode, as you'll hear in a moment, we'll turn it up a little bit so we can hear it a little bit better. It basically sets the climate and it will adjust it, and you'll also notice the ambient lighting change there. It will dim that, it will flash that, and it basically gives you a sense of being in a little bit of a spa environment. So it tries to relax you upon your journey. A couple of other manufacturers tried this a few years ago, with Mercedes introducing the little coffee cup sign, so it told you when you needed a break. However, BMW understood that not everybody can do that. They understand that people are busy. a fantastic feature. I always find it really, you know, fascinating that they look into this sort of thing for people that are going to use their vehicles, and it's all the small touches that make the difference. Right, on to the other functions and features. Obviously this is all now touchscreen, as I've mentioned, so we can swipe effortlessly between different screens. Your media wise, of course, you get DAB, music collection, Bluetooth audio, screen mirroring, as you can see. Once again, going over to the communications menu, which is obviously where you'll pair your devices for not only Bluetooth audio and Bluetooth telephone. This vehicle also comes with Apple CarPlay enabled. The vehicle itself does also come with BMW service history. It's not had its first service yet, being the fact it was not due. And if I show you on the service requirements, as you can see there, the first service will be due in 4,100 miles. However, it did have the pre-delivery inspection service, which is always good. The navigation, again, really simple to use, being that it is all now touchscreen, and we can make that full screen. As you can see there, I can simply touch to where I would like to set the destination to. The heated seats I've mentioned, which is all controlled down here. And as I've mentioned, there is still a huge amount to get through. However, I'm going to end it there, step outside the vehicle and just show you those LED fog lights, which I mentioned a minute ago. As always, I do hope you've enjoyed this walk around video. And if you do have any questions, please do feel free to drop them down below in the comments, where as always, I will be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. And there will also be down below in the description all of the relevant contact places and information for you to get in touch regarding prices and finance options for this lovely G20 320i M Sport. As always guys, thanks for watching, take care, hope to see you soon, goodbye.